This is the Zelbaze Plug C. It's a fitness band with an always-on bright display, brighter in the sunshine, and backlit for indoors viewing. You have heart rate, step count, distance traveled, as well as calories burned. You can check last night's sleep report and activate a stopwatch. It has message tethering to your phone to let you know you have a message or to find your phone if it's lost. In the settings section, you have the ability to change between 3 different dial faces. One is the large digit time with heart rate and date information, or a small time with step count information, or an overall analog watch if you prefer. Simply press and hold to lock it in, and that's your face of choice. This is the Plug C from Zeblaze. Check it out.